Salesforce CEO does dismiss the SaaS apocalypse that we have been talking about for some time. And he also goes on to call it nonsense. And after CRM's record Q2 print, he also went on to say that it's time for this to stop. It's time for this to stop. Salesforce, ticker CRM, delivered a record second quarter with accelerating bookings and revenue, prompting CEO Marc Benioff to forcefully dismiss industry fears of an AI-driven software collapse as the, quote, nonsense of this SaaS apocalypse, unquote. Benioff declared it is time for this to stop when addressing the dire market predictions that artificial intelligence would cannibalize enterprise software seats and destroy pricing power. Defying skeptics, Salesforce posted its strongest new net annual order value, or AOV, growth in 4 years, while attrition remained near record lows. Driven by this underlying booking momentum, second quarter revenue rose 11% year over year to $11.35 billion, and current remaining performance obligations, or CRPO, accelerated 14% in constant currency. Salesforce also raised its full-year fiscal 2027 revenue guidance to a range of $46.1 to $46.4 billion. Fueling this operational performance is a landmark partnership with Anthropic to launch Claude Force. The collaboration brings Anthropic's Claude AI natively into Salesforce, enabling a dynamic interface that reasons and acts across enterprise data, workflows, and Slack channels. Benioff hailed the pairing of the #1 AI and the #1 CRM as the future benchmark for how enterprise systems will operate. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei agreed in a CNBC interview, describing the integration as, quote, bigger than the sum of its parts, end quote. Meanwhile, Salesforce internal AI traction accelerated rapidly, with Agentforce ARR exceeding $1.5 billion. That is up 240% year over year. Industry watchers on social media reacted swiftly to the strong second quarter performance in the Anthropic alliance. Hedge fund manager and founder of LIQN.ai, Jared Kubin, observed that Anthropic's founders, quote, did a 180 on software, end quote, shifting from predicting major job losses to becoming huge Salesforce customers. Patrick Moorhead from Moorhead Insights noted the integration lets both firms do what they do best, while softening the destroying all white-collar job mantra. Shea Ballure from Futurum Equities stated that the companies are pushing agentic AI deeper into enterprise workflows without forcing users to leave the chatbot interface. Sam Badawai highlighted that Claude gains governed access to core data systems, allowing enterprises to take real action directly from the chat window. So again, all of these companies, they're all saying that, yeah, this is actually beneficial. Like these whole fears about the mass job losses and how software companies are going to go out of business because AI is going to do everything. It's going to take everyone's job. It's going to ruin every piece of software. Surprise, surprise, folks. The doom and gloom predictions were dead wrong again. Color me shocked.